Hi everyone, today I have a haul, a Rhode haul, because I couldn't resist their cute yellow summer collection. So I decided to get a few things because they came out with new blushes. So I have 3 blushes, 1 lip gloss, and like a spritzer, and this cute little bag. And also I wanted to go over 2 bags, and it's more like a bag reveal because I don't think I've shown these enough, or I've pointed it out that I bought these. So I used the strap for the first time the other day, and then this bag, I used to always use it for the gym exclusively, but then yesterday I did wear it for brunch with a friend, so it looked super cute. So I just wanted to talk over that really quick. And this video is going to be shorter than others because I just have so much going on today. I do have to take my cute teacup to the vet, and I do have an appointment later today. So first off, she took my desk chair, which is totally fine. The only thing is that I will be working standing. Yeah, and she's a bit sick. If you heard that, she's been like, I don't know what it is. So she started sneezing, and now it's like coughing. And initially when I called the doc, they told me that is a virus, it will go away. But at this point I called somebody else, and then we're going to go in today. And I know for a fact she doesn't feel well. My beautiful teacup. Yeah, so her name is Teacup. She's my daughter. I'm sure I have records giving birth to her. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. What else? Yeah, I have like a million things going on at home. Like, I've put things on Poshmark for sale, a couple of dresses, because I did like a huge dress clear out specifically, and I put those on my Poshmark. I think I will get rid of my Depop account. I don't think it's working out for me. But Poshmark, I have a lot more followers, so I just think I'm going to focus there. Plus, I can print the shipping label from there, which makes my life a lot easier. And also, I did a clear of my closet. I did give a lot of stuff away to Goodwill, including shoes and everything else in my other closet. And this closet, I just have dresses, which I don't have many dresses, to be honest. I have a few, but not a lot, in comparison to a lot of other people on YouTube. But anyway, but still, I still have like a couple of tops that I was removing this morning. It's just, I don't know, last night, I don't know how late it was. I was cleaning my shoe rack until like midnight. Crazy. I mean, I was so sleepy, but I just cleaned everything. I cleaned every shoe, you guys. I did a massive closet cleanup, and I still want to put a couple of things for sale. I also have like 2 other pairs of shoes that I want to give to Goodwill, like including the high knee boots things. So I will go, I guess, by the end of the week to give those away, because I'm over the over the knee boot suede thing. Like, I'm over it. So I want to give those away and get them out of my closet. Going to move on to other boots, leather boots. Anyway, enough of that. So let me just talk about this bag. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what's going on, how busy I am. But on the next video, by the end of the week, I think I'll choose a Thursday. I don't know. I'm still deciding which day I want to permanently choose for the second day of the week that I'm going to be posting. Monday works perfect for me. And then the other day I'm still trying to discover, because sometimes I film a video, but then I'm not happy with it, and then I have to re-record. So anyway, I got this at Kith, and I order it through their website directly. And this is like the mini version, and I just love this. It's so cute, and it has 2 pockets here, one on each side, which you have to lift this part, and then here's that pocket, and it's just so cute and adorable. I do have a couple of things here. There's a pocket here, and then here I have a couple of things. I have been taking things out of here, but I have this cute olive claw clip. I love this claw clip, you guys. Got it at TMX. super cute. I don't know why I'm into olives, you guys. My Gucci powder, which I barely use, and I have to finish using it. I don't think I'm not gonna get rid of it, but I guess my point is I did get a new powder from Chanel, and I showed it in a previous video, but I'm gonna finish this one first, I guess. I have my beloved Glossier rosebomb.com, and this is my favorite from this brand because I just love this particular flavor, rose. It's just so nice, and I do like the green, white, and pink colors. I love green and I love pink, one of my favorite colors ever, so I love it. My Buxom Big O, and I always have this Big O, so what I like about this is that when you apply this, it gives you like a very natural tint, and that's what I like. I have $1, I have one cable for my headphones, and I have a cute little hand cream because my hands are always like dry, so I need a hand cream. That's it that I have in this bag, but this is how I was carrying it. It is just so cute, isn't it? So it is just the most adorable, cute thing. Okay, and then the next is my Stoney Clover. So I got this at Nordstrom's. I saw it, and that was like love at first sight. This is their jelly pouch or jelly bag. They do have a lot of different colors. Will I get another color? Maybe. I just feel like this color is just perfect. I mean, this is happiness in a cute little mini bag. Happiness, because first of all, this smells like bubblegum. So this is the bubblegum color, and it does smell like bubblegum. And the Nordstrom's girl told me about it. If she would have told me, I would have never known. And when you smell it, it definitely smells like bubblegum, which is a huge perk. But I mean, this is happiness for sure. Every day, day in, day out. I love the gold. I just feel like the cute heart and this other cute heart with the cute little stone, it is just perfection, and it all ties in, and the silver glitter. I mean, this is just like the happiest bag in the world. Happiest bag for summer besides my other beaded bags, but this is just so cute. Anyway, I showed what I had in here on a previous video, and quite a lot fits. Even my iPhone fits, which I did a test in a different video, but what I didn't do is put it on pretty much as a crossbody, because I'm not going to wear it as a crossbody. This is how I want to wear it, like this, or like just carrying it on my hand like that. How adorable, you guys. But I don't know, I had to run an errand, so I decided to try the strap just to try it, because I haven't tried the strap before. So yeah, I mean, how cute. The strap is also very cute, you guys. So it looks adorable. I don't like it that much with the strap, so I will be wearing it just on my wrist and carrying it with my hand. But that is it for this bag, and I just want to introduce you to Stoney Clover. They do have a lot of different products, which I didn't know. But this is my favorite. Out of everything that I saw on their website, this is definitely my favorite. My beautiful keeper. Love it. So I received this huge box, you guys. I went for it. I think I place like a huge order once a year or twice a year, but oh my gosh. So first off, how adorable is this cute little pouch? So I thought it was going to be bigger because in the pictures it looks bigger, but I'm so happy to find out it's not that big, so I can carry it a lot more. You know what I mean? Like, I expected to just carry this for travel, but actually because of the size, I will be able to carry it a lot more, you know, a lot more occasions, day to day. So you can see the size comparison. Definitely fits in my Kith, you guys. I just love the color. I mean, Rhode knows what they're doing 100%. So I also got this glazy mist. which I already tried yesterday, and it doesn't have a smell. So I'm a fan of smells. I know Dr. Dre will be heavily opposed, but I love a good, you know, glazing mist with a smell. But it's fine. I understand that there's a lot of people with skin sensitivities, but I do like it. I like it. And I do like the sprayer too. It's like good quality, you guys. And I'm excited because this is my second skincare item from Rhode, and this is my other one, the Glazing Milk, which is super popular. I love. Okay, next is this cute peptide lip tint, and this is the yellow one. This is the lemon. I wore it yesterday like 20 times. This is how it looks like, and you know, it's like a clear, slightly tinted, but mostly clear. I thought this was going to be super lemony, and actually it is more like sweet, and it tastes really good, and I'm very, very pleased with the smell and the taste. It is just a lot better than I thought it was going to be. So is this flavor worth it? I would say yes, because I do have another one of these, because I do have this pink Rhode one, and I feel like I like the flavor of this one so much more, like by 10 times, and it's just so pleasant, you guys, the taste. So I might order more of these to have as backups if it's not sold out, because literally as soon as I receive that email of the launch date, I place my order quickly. So I might need more. So with this kit, you are able to choose one blush. So I have 3. So I chose Tan Line with my cute kit. So I have no blush on to be able to wear this today. So yeah, it's supposed to be like more of a pinky type finish. And this is the color, you guys, and it looks dark. But I'm not worried. This is Rhode we're talking about. This one is Sprinkle. So I did see they had a few new colors, so of course I'm gonna get a few of them. I don't have every single color. You might think I do, but I don't. There's a few colors that I don't have. This is really pretty. So these are all like super summery. And then the last one is a Sun Soak, which is like that peachy, very peachy color. Yeah, very nice. So these are the swatches. So this one is this one, Tan Line. So this one is Tan Line, very pretty color, right? It's like a dark rose color. The middle one is Sprinkle. And then the last one is Sun Soak, this one. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, which should I try? I think I'm gonna try actually Sun Soak, because if you know me, you know I would go for the pinks, but let me try this one actually. And I have a clean brush. I applied a lot. You see that? Okay, let's see. I'm never like a peachy or coral person. How cute is that? Very, very cute. I'm gonna clean up a little bit the edges. Love this color. Maybe I should apply more, but I think it's okay like that. Yeah. How cute, right? I love Rhode. I'm in love. I don't know, it's just so cute, and I love the pocket blushes, and I love this packaging. I just feel like it's just so convenient. I don't know, it's like genius packaging, right? It's so cool, and I love this too. I love everything. So I'm very happy with my haul, with the things that I ordered from Rhode. I hate the word haul, actually. I want to choose a new word. Purchases. Highly recommend. These colors are really pretty. So pretty. So these are the colors that I've got. So I have Teddy, Freckle, Juice Box, and Piggy. Those are the colors that I have. I thought I had more, but I guess that is it. These are my favorite colors, especially Piggy and Freckle. Top favorites. But now I have more, which I love. Okay, and I love the yellow. Isn't that so cute? So cute. So cute. All right, so that's it for this video today. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will highly appreciate it. And see you on the next video. Bye.